Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel phaidi chung tini nalinai ICFAI University Tripura hoite kaisa ketal job notification faimani obongkha norok nugui professor associate professors tai assistant professors ni bagwi norok nugui the ICFAI University Tripura is looking for this in the following disciplines for its campus located at Agartala, Tripura. Takhwk bwkhwk obongkha department tai subject ni mungrok je bobo subject ni tei borok o je professors associate professor tai assistant professor je talangnani obongkha subject ni mungrok phaidi chung nailene pulano tongo engineering orni bisingo subject tongo civil ECE tai triple aboni pore tongo computer science and engineering orne bisingo subject tongo artificial intelligence machine learning python R programming internet of things cloud computing smartphone computing predictive analysis cryptography gaming virtual reality augmented reality cyber security tai blockchain technology aboni pore tongo mechanical engineering orne bisingo subject tongo machine design robotics and automation 3D printing tai 3D modeling aboni pore tongo science orne bisingo subject tongo mathematics physics tai chemistry aboni pore tongo data science orne bisingo subject tongo statistics big data analysis aboni pore tongo law orne bisingo subject tongo international law cyber law criminal law IPR tai corporate law aboni pore tongo education orne bisingo subject tongo social studies Bengali education technology perspective of education aboni pore tongo physical education kinesiology biomechanics sports medicine sports psychology tai sociology aboni pore tongo management orne bisingo subject tongo operations human resources systems agribusiness rural management financial management healthcare management social media marketing business analytics tai HR analytics aboni pore tongo commerce subject tongo accounting finance tai taxation aboni pore tongo liberal arts subject tongo english literature tai linguistics ni bagui aboni pore tongo sociology psychology political science history tai philosophy aboni pore tongo soft skills the job involves training and preparing the students for job prospects in corporate aboni pore tongo foreign languages subject tongo German Spanish French tai Chinese aboni pore tongo library science subject tongo library automation tai academic library aboni pore tongo yoga subject tongo anatomy and physiology of yogic practices tai applied yoga aboni pore tongo special education bagui subject tongo jaga special education in intellectual disability aboni pore tongo allied health sciences subject tongo jaga pathology critical care medical physiology MLT clinical biochemistry MLT microbiology and immunology aboni pore tongo MLT hematology and blood transfusion medicine aboni pore tongo dialysis cardiac care technology tai health information management aboni pore tongo nursing oboni bagai nangnai MSc nursing with more than 3 years of experience aboni pore last engkha clinical psychology orni bisingo nangnai clinical psychology with MPhil haike PhD obongkha qualification and experience the applicants should have PG UGC net with PhD inappropriate discipline. In addition, teaching higher research, higher industry experience as applicable for different positions, and the applicant should have excellent academic record throughout. Among remuneration, as per university norms, however, salary is not a constant for deserving candidates. takhwk te bwkhwk song norok jodi o subject na tui project tongkhanke jodi nongni qualification and experience tongkhanke norok apply khaimono bongni apply khanani email address engkha careers.iutripura.in spelling engkha careers.iutripura.in takhwk te bwkhwk song tin bagwi to sngno belai hambai noro asuk joroti ani video nai toma bagai tai andori noro interest tongkha ba apply khaidi habani pore noni friends noro share khaidi jate boro government bagi information manthung sngno khwlwmkha